Hello and welcome to the TAO update for December. You're here with me, Fola, and let's get into the business team update. So without further ado, I'll pass it over to Igor for his update this month.
Thank you, Fola, and hello, everyone. So for this month, as you know, we have launched our website. It's finally up and running, and there was quite a lot, some changes and the bugs that had to be fixed during this month, which was I was focused on, and I'm still working on. Essentially, also, there are some pages that has to be redesigned, which I'm also currently working as well. So this month was mainly launching the website, fixing these bugs, fixing the typos that we had as well. And also alongside the website, there were also a lot of design content that I created for the, as you know, the Gate.io exchange that we have listed. There was also Twitter Spaces as well. There are some internal stuff that we are also going to use in the future as well, which are already designed. I'm keeping on getting more content that we're going to post on Twitter as well. So for this month, was mainly focused on the design service, but there were also a couple of other stuff that we have internally discussed, such as like the SEO management that's going to be done on the website too. There are also some keywords that we have to add extra just to get more traffic in the future. And yeah, that is pretty much it for my month. Thanks.
What a great month. All right. Thank you so much, Igor. I'll pass it over to Kilian for his update this month.
Yes, thanks, Fola, and hi, everybody. So this month was a really busy one, working on lots of different things. First to mention is community support. I mean, our community has basically exploded over the past month. With lots of questions coming in, lots of people approaching me privately on Telegram with different requests. So that's been one part of my work this month. We also had a Twitter space that we organized. You can still see the recording of it on our Twitter profile. It was all around the topic of decentralized AI and how TAOnet relates to that. So that was really a nice event to have. Lots of people have tuned in, and we have been answering various questions there. Then we also evaluated various exchange or potential exchange listings. We have done some outreach there, and also we launched on Gate.io with the Agoras USDT trading pair. So preparing the launch of that was also part of my work this month. Then we also had, due to the sheer growth of our community, suddenly our Discord channel also had sparked some interest of some people. Previously, our main communication was through Telegram. There was not much activity on Discord, but now with more and more people having joined Discord, I felt the need to basically clean up our Discord channel. We had lots of unused channels. So basically now it's all trimmed down to one general chat, which is also much easier to oversee. And yeah, with the help of Andre basically created a bridge from Telegram to Discord. So even if you're not on Telegram and you prefer Discord, you now will be able to receive all the announcements and conversations and follow them on Discord. Then we also had various internal calls to discuss media publications across various news outlets. I'm sure Fola is going to talk more about that. We also discussed creating animated short videos on TAOnet and Agoras, which is also something community members have been asking for again. So I think that would be really valuable to have. Currently, we have such an animated short video mainly for outlining the traditional software development process and then how TAO generally relates to that and improves that process. But it would be really good to also have a video outlining in very short time how TAOnet actually works and what the role of Agoras would be. We've also done some outreach to blockchain VC funds. Previously, our focus was more geared towards more traditional tech VCs. But with the recent events, we think that now's a really good time to approach blockchain VCs again. So that's been on our list as well. We've already had a couple of meetings there. So yeah, we're just continuing on this path. On that matter, we are also preparing the deck because our current one is more tailored towards these regular tech VC funds. And yeah, it's not so much blockchain oriented. So we have to get that into the deck. And I've also been doing some outreach to CoinGecko to get the circulating supply updated. It still hasn't updated. I haven't heard back from them, but yeah, we'll try to keep the pressure up on them. Hope to get that done soon. I've also created various articles, some of them already published, other ones still are going to publish in the future in some way. For example, there has been the news of the EU AI Act, of which you probably heard. And this AI Act is pretty much in our favor because it asks for transparent and responsible AI systems. And that's exactly where Tau shines as opposed to all the traditional machine learning projects because machine learning is essentially this black box where it's really difficult to understand how the model reaches a decision, whereas Tau, as you know, is based on logic. So at any point of time, you will be able to provide a clear outline of how the system arrives to a decision. So we think that Tau really excels in adhering to all what this new EU AI Act entails. Yeah, then we also started scouting for AI blockchain conferences as well as podcasts around that topic to get more coverage and raise more awareness around our project. So I'm quite confident that next year we will probably have a lot more demonstrations or events where we are going to participate. And yeah, last but not least, obviously, the community member of the month. Like last month, basically, it's again Felix and Andrew for their continued community support. And yeah, that's it for me. Thanks.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Kilian. And well done to you, Felix, and also well done to you, Andrew, once again, supporting Tau to the core. And we want to see that from all of you. So, the community member of the month is open to everyone. And we want to see you guys up there as well, supporting hard on your socials. So thank you again, guys. Appreciate you all. I'll pass it over to Karolina for her update this month.
Hi, everyone. So this month has been focused mainly on PR. We are currently talking about packages with several newswire companies and PR agencies. And we are exploring on-demand publishing options. However, we're also very interested in forming long-term relationships with publications that could become the go-to sources for news and information about Tau and its products. So we've been having a lot of meetings and doing a lot of research. Earlier in the month, we have had an article published on Bitcoin.com, which is about the decentralized AI opportunities that Tau and its products bring. And we have 3 more articles in the pipeline ready to go. While some may say that nobody reads these days and it's all about short videos, we think that PR remains as relevant as ever, especially for us, because it builds trust and credibility. And those are very important things for our brand. So expect a lot of articles about Tau and its products in the upcoming year. Thank you.
All right, fantastic, Karolina. Thank you so much. And over to me. So on top of helping with what Karolina, Igor, and Kilian have been up to, I've been picking up some domains for Tau and Agoras. So one of them being tau.ai, which we'll be using very soon for updates and information on the project. So you'll be able to check that out in a couple of weeks. On top of that, as Kilian mentioned, we've been speaking to a lot of VCs. And the great thing is that the project is really starting to get the recognition that it deserves. And VCs are now approaching us, which is exactly where we should be. So those conversations are going very well, and we continue to have conversations and calls lined up for that. On top of that, as Kilian mentioned, we have lots coming from the press release side of things. We do have a press release coming out about joining the NVIDIA Inception program, and we're going to be pushing to get us listed on their site to be one of the program members. And beyond that, you'll see another member of our team joining next week. We do have some members working in the shadows of Tau who help us on the business side. So you'll be seeing Oleg joining us next month even, who helps us with the PR, marketing, and pretty much anything from the SEO and pretty much anything on the website as well. So he'll be able to give you some more updates in terms of what's happening with the marketing side and press side. On top of all of that, I don't want to forget, we are also building out our developer forum, which is going to be launched around the same time as the Tau language release. So all the developers that we can get on board early, we will be putting out a wait list so you guys can join, and we'll be able to send you a link to that as soon as the dev forum is up and running. And Tau language is released at the same time as well. All right, that is it for the business team for December. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the new year. Cheers. Bye.